Alright, so to fill in these holes up there, you're gonna need some wood filler. Now I prefer Bondo. There's other stuff. They're cheaper, but I like Bondo. They're also dab plastic wood filler for the smaller holes that don't need mixing, so it's easier to apply. But for the bigger ones, you'll use Bondo. You'll need these knives, putty knives, right? I like the ones from dollar store, about $25, same as the one from Home Depot, and it'll save you about $3-4. Also, a paint opener, a flat surface for you to mix it on, and a hammer to close this back up, right? Or a mallet, whichever you prefer. Mallet's probably better. With the hammer, you want to be a little bit more gentle with it. Open this, give it a twist, get that out. Take all these right here. And take a good amount. Some big holes, so probably run through a decent amount. Alright. Keep that closed so it don't dry up. Now the hardener, the more you use, the faster it'll dry. So I'm gonna I'll use that much. That'll be medium speed, medium to slow for this amount. Okay, hopefully this works out and I don't need a backer because that hole is pretty big. Right. Take that. And make sure to keep one hand on the ladder at all times. I'm going to push that in.